Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you all how to put this very quick but yet delicious breakfast idea together. First up, I will start by cutting some white onion. Cut into big chunks and set aside. Next, peel up some garlic. Ensure to rinse properly, then transfer into the blender and blend. Once that is ready, I would now add that to my protein. I'd season with some chicken seasoning, salt, curry powder, some chili flakes, and then some vegetable oil. So for my choice of protein, I'm using chicken breast. Feel free to use any other kind of protein. Once I'm done mixing that, I will transfer them into my oven safe tray. But feel free to marinate this in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Next is to grill this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, 180 to 220 degrees C. Once they are ready and very juicy, I would now cut them into tiny bite sizes. Just in case you're new here, hello, I am Fidel of Fidel Food Villa and I share lovely food recipes on this channel. Please do well to like this video, drop your comments, and if you get to subscribe, please do well to subscribe and as well tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also, please don't forget to share my videos. It will mean a lot to me. Thank you. I found out that a lot of people have different preference when it comes to cooking their chicken. So for some people, they love to roast, some people love to grill, some people love to fry, some love to boil as well. I would really love to know your own preference when it comes to enjoying chicken. What's your go-to recipe? Do you like to pan sear? Do you like to fry? Do you like to boil or grill or roast? Let me know in the comment section below, okay? Next would be to grate some mozzarella cheese, and this is one of the highlights of this recipe if I'm to be asked. So grate a lot, okay? Next is to bring out the bread and now slice them into your preferred size and shape. If you feel like you're getting bored when it comes to eating bread, I would highly recommend this recipe because it is so indulgent. After slicing the bread, transfer to an oven safe pan and then go in with the chicken. Next would be to go in with the mozzarella cheese as well. You can also add in some toppings like onion or some hot sauce, whichever is fine, but I choose to keep it simple. Put that in the oven for just 5 minutes and this delicious bread with some chicken and mozzarella cheese is ready. I hope you all get to give this a try. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.